Hello everyone, welcome back to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to log out AOL account. So for that, what you need to do is open a Google Chrome on your laptop or in your PC and then click open a new tab. You can use any browser for this process. On the search bar, you need to type in aol.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of the AOL. You are currently logged into the AOL account of yours. So here to log out, all you need to do is move your mouse cursor to the logout option over here at the right side of your window screen. You click that. Now here you will have the option of are you sure you want to sign out of your account? Click on yes, sign me out. And this will get you signed out of your account right away. And with that, you have been logged out from your AOL account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.